Hi there, welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name is Save with Crypto, and this morning I went for some coffee with this guy. His name's Keith Waring. Some of you might know him from Profit Sniper. That used to be a really excellent YouTube channel a few years ago. This is a video he did 6 years ago where he was interviewing Richard Hart. And Keith had some interesting things to say about Richard Hart and about Pulse Chain and other projects on it. And I might choose to discuss that with my Telegram group. I'm not sure, because it's pretty hot stuff, actually. Anyway, it was really, really good to see him. And I'm probably going to see him later in the week and then do something else with him, which I think is going to be a lot of fun as well. Anyway, absolutely pleasant experience to meet up with Keith and, enjoy a bit of the Costa del Sol this morning. So, brilliant that was. Okay, so what's been happening in real life? Okay, in real life, the price of Bitcoin has gone up a little bit. Now, over the weekend, I was saying, okay, on this indicator we got here, this is Quadzilla, by the way. Let me just turn it on and off. You see, that does the momentum stuff down here. It also adds these EMAs up here. I'm going to add in two other EMAs, actually. Let me just do that in the settings because I feel slightly naked without it, but I'm going to just add, where's it gone now? There you go. So EMA 5 and EMA 9. Now at the moment these aren't configurable in the way that you've only got a choice of 5, 9, 21, 55 or an SMA 200 as well. I like these, and I like these colours because that's what I've been using since I've been following stuff that Eric Crown does, and this is one of his indicators that he likes to use, the EMAs, that is, not Quadzilla itself. But we've combined all that with Quadzilla here. And if you want to get hold of that, go to savewith.crypto.org/QZ, and there's some super simple instructions there where you can get hold of this indicator for absolutely nothing, and that is lifetime access. It won't always be like that, so do take advantage of it while it's there. I didn't add those in the end, did I? Let's do that. Sorry, I completely forgot. There you go. 5 and 9 and add. Okay, because what I want to see here on the 4-hour time frame is this red 5 EMA starting to cross over the cyan, and hopefully that will get high up here, lead the way, and then these colours will all swap round. So rather than going red, cyan, yellow, green, they will go green, yellow, cyan, red, and we will be back in an uptrend. Now that's on the 4-hour time frame. The reason I said to watch out for this green background over the weekend was the fact that that is normally a very, very bullish sign. The last time that happened was back here, and then the price, well, obviously that went up from like 98,000 to where we are now. So it's a rare signal, and that did happen yesterday. Very, very early in the morning of Sunday. So I'm now pretty confident that the price will go up for a while. There is once again a possibility that we could double bottom, something like that. That could happen again. So the price could easily come back down. But at the moment, I'm pretty confident. The reason being is the fact that if we look at that on the 1-hour time frame, you can see here that these green and yellow EMAs, that's the 21 and 55, they have now crossed over bullish, okay? So that is normally a really good sign that the price is going to go up now. So I think we've definitely got some upside to have, and I will start to worry about some temporary topping out when we start to see these red backgrounds on the 1-hour time frame. But at the moment, it's all looking pretty good. Now, we are 29 minutes from the New York Open, so things might change in the next half hour, but so far it's looking good to me. Now, this indicator also puts in these retracement levels here. So there was this retracement level here at 117,760. And what often happens here is the price will come back to that level and then maybe dump again. Okay, so do be aware of that. And in fact, if that does that, that probably could also form a double bottom like that, couldn't it? Yeah, so quite possible. But I think for the moment, a little bit of up is what I'm expecting. do get this indicator. It's called Quadzilla. As I say, go to savewith.crypto.org/QZ and follow the instructions there. It will involve signing up to at least one exchange that we are affiliated with, but there are 4 really excellent exchanges, and in particular Bitunix you can use in any country in the world. No KYC, no VPN, and it's a pretty cool exchange as well. And there's also some amazing sign-up bonuses, which I can show you once again. Okay, so this is the offer. You basically get a 20% bonus when you make a deposit. You need to make a deposit and then trade as well. The good thing about this is the offer is open from now until the 30th of October, which is pretty amazing. Quite often you see these offers only on for like a week or 2 weeks. So the fact that this is on for like, the next quarter essentially is brilliant news. It's only $20 if you do that, but if you deposit, say, $2,000, then you get 400 USDT. So it's all pretty good, and it's a really nice exchange, actually. It's also worth noting that this Bitunix trading competition actually began on August the 3rd. And yeah, that's today, isn't it? No, yesterday. Okay, so prize pool of $675,000. VIP prize bonus. If you become a VIP or will level up your VIP tour during the event, you'll receive an additional 30% bonus on your final prize. Okay, so that's really cool. So yeah, this might be something that might interest you as well. So let's do that. So if you want to get involved with Bitunix, go to savewithcrypto.org/Bitunix, and that will then entitle you to get free use of Quadzilla. And you can get that by going to savewithcrypto.org/QZ. All right. If you like the sound of that, then please do give the video a big fat like and make sure you are subscribed and you've got the notifications turned on. Any questions, just leave them in the comments down below. And tell your friends.
Save with Crypto has to be one of the best YouTube channels that the United States has ever seen. Kamala Harris is not a subscriber, but I am. I have notifications set to all as well. I'd strongly suggest you subscribe to Save with Crypto today. Above all, you should tell your friends.
Save with Crypto is not a financial advisor. He just makes ice cream on the internet. If you cannot find someone to do your own research, you must do it yourself, just like I did not.